Hello, in front of me I've got Yamaha earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset. In the beginning, place your earbuds in the charging case. Make sure that they are not connected with any device. And now hold down the function key on both earbuds for about 7 seconds until their indicator flashes purple. Now, remove the earbuds from the charging case and your earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.